On conventional cars in the past, we used vacuum from the engine to supply support, so the brake assist, right? When you brake, that there's some assistance. And this is using energy of the engine, and you only use it at a certain time. So we come up with a new system that calls e-boost, where we use electronics to give and electric support for the brakes. So this gives you actually a much more precise and faster brake feel. And on the other side, it doesn't use any energy from the engine. So overall, we save up to 1% fuel consumption again on the overall car. I think it's the innovation that we see where you don't have an engine, like on our e-Corsa, for example. You need such a system to brake, and therefore we also figured this is good for our conventional cars as we need less energy from the engine itself. For sure, you will not find it in any cars of this class. Well, there might be other cars out there. I'm not so clear. It's a new technology that we introduce. I think the others will follow. This is a good logical step as refinement of your car.